CM gave them all the options, and an option Doro now. Even after giving so many options, still if they are going on strike, must be it is profitable for them the way they think. And this thing what the CM has offered, maybe it's not good for them. But I feel, in my opinion, because I got my taxi driver also from Kanpur, I requested them, come and speak to CM and settle the issue once and for all. Why create problem? It's creating problem for everybody, not only for them, for everybody. So I feel they should come to a certain conclusion. Yes, Baba will do something. Plus my one last option which CM gave was that you all try for 3 months. 3 months you try. If it doesn't work, then you come back to me. This option, what else you want?
Vidarbha, in today's generation, technology is a must.
See, for example, today's population in Goa has increased how many times, you just imagine. Previously, I remember, we had neighbors, all were drivers, with friends, like friends. We should just call, follow you, Mashi Gadi again, Today, I cannot get those friends. Today, I have to wait for a taxi. I have to, if I suppose tomorrow I go on an app and call for a taxi, I get a taxi at home. So this is the problem. Today there are so many drivers, they are saying, yes, but tomorrow I want a taxi. I need a taxi here. What shall I do? So that is the problem. No? So this, it is beneficial for them only. But secondly, CM told them, you all can make at least 40,000. If you get less than that also, you tell me. See, what else you want government to do? So my option, they should come for a compromise.
It was not necessary to go for a strike?
No, they should not go. They should not go. As it is, they went so many times. Now they are spending nearly more than a month or 2 months. They are losing. Yes or no? This government is not a permanent government. We are there today, tomorrow somebody else might come. So you should come and settle it. My view like this.